Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Unior Screw pliers. Use screw pliers to loose and unscrew screws that have damaged head profile and cannot be unscrewed with standard tools. Damage to the screw's profile usually occurs when screws are stuck due to gluing or corrosion, and standard tools strip the profile. Pliers have horizontal and also vertical serrated teeth, which grab the screw by the outer diameter of the head. Teeth are strong and very sharp and provide an excellent grip on the screw's head regardless of its profile. Pliers can be used on screw heads with diameters from 3 mm to 11 mm. MPOWER'S Triple Diamond Sharpening Whetstone. A truly complete diamond sharpening station. The ideal diamond sharpener for chisels, plain blades, kitchen knives, and more. This triple diamond whetstone has been in development for over 4 years solid and is our most complete diamond sharpening whetstone kit. The process of properly sharpening a tool, be it a 1 micrometer inch bevel edge chisel or a plain iron, involves a number of essential elements, all of which are cunningly stored in a tough canvas storage case. Leaf rake. This 3-in-1 rake functions as a full-size 30-inch wide head for clearing up larger areas and a 7-inch shrub rake mode, which is perfect for narrow, hard-to-reach places. Use your 11 garden leaf grabbers to pick up your leaves. Decouple and reattach the two handle sections to change the rake's length from 128 cm to 178 cm to suit your work. It takes seconds to convert this 3-in-1 garden rake using the click-on system. By detaching and attaching the rake head sections, this 3-in-1 rake from Tough Master can function as a lawn rake, garden leaf grabbers, or a shrub rake. This 3-in-1 garden rake has a light weight of only 1 kilogram, so it's easy to handle and maneuver, making for comfortable all-day use. SmartStraps. These Ratchet straps are ergonomically designed to give you optimal performance with over-molded handles for leverage and comfort. With a safe workload of 1,000 pounds and brake strength of 3,000 pounds, you can trust SmartStraps 10-foot ratchet straps to secure your load. These straps are retractable, making the tie-down process quick and easy. You can secure each strap in just 15 seconds, and you don't have to feed straps into the ratchet or tie off any ends. BAOSHISHAN electric strapping tool. 3-in-1 electric strapping combines tensioning, cutter, and banding in one machine. No need buckle or seals, while improving efficiency and reduce the waste of strapping rope and save steel resources. Equipped with large capacity batteries, easy to work and replace, each battery can pack about 80 to 200 straps continuously. Fiskars Quick Drill Garden Drill. Fiskars Quick Drill is the medium-sized option of the Fiskars soil drill, and as such is a great companion when you are perennial planting, aerating and mixing compost, and installing medium-sized posts. The benefits of the Fiskars Quick Drill are clear. When you are drilling soil, it leaves a smooth edge hole without getting stuck on small stones or roots. The tool's handle is made from fiber comp to make it extremely strong, while its steel tube shaft is designed for maximum strength when digging a hole. The efficacy of this tool is created by its dual cutting action with two optimally angled and sharpened blades. Each Fiskars quick drill comes with the possibility to use plus parts are attached to the shaft with screws. This tool has a working diameter of 150 millimeters. Trail on the SPT Long Reach External Rendering Removal. The Trail on the Long Reach Scaler is the perfect tool for removing multiple types of industrial and domestic floor and wall coverings such as tiles, render, plaster, carpet, and other material buildups. Halter for Spirit Level ELV. It is the spirit level for electrical installations. The C-shaped aluminum profile has plastic end pieces and rubber spacers that protects and prevents the spirit level from sliding on the measuring surface. The sliding markers with graded 71 mm center spacing allows for quick and accurate positioning when installing switch or junction boxes according to DIN 49075. Its overall length is 400 mm. Dead blow hammer. The non-rebound bumping hammer is made from a high-density alloy steel tube. The inserts are made from acid and oil-resistant polyurethane. The hammer's non-slip plastic handle allows a firm grip. The bumping hammer's main advantages are its great resilience in all weather conditions and the ability to take substantial blows without getting damaged. The bumping hammer is very safe to use, and its main advantage compared to traditional bumping hammers is that it does not bounce back on impact from the surface due to its filling small steel balls of a certain size and weight. The bumping hammer is used for bearing installation, finishing jobs in the construction industry, furniture fitting, and assembly. It is very useful for working on objects that must not be damaged. M30 Magazine's Bar Staple Gun. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.